is a fruit and nut bark recipe. Since it is Christmas, I'm gonna have more cherries and pistachios than everything else, and my bowl is not big enough. Oops.
Well, you know that's going to be good when the bowl's not big enough.
Okay, then we got our apricots and our green pumpkin seeds. And then we have our mixed nuts. Oh my goodness. This is going to be delicious. A little bit more green. Okay.
I assume you can vary what kind of fruits and nuts.
You can put whatever you want. You could do cranberries if you want. You could leave something out. You could add sunflower seeds. Leave any of the nuts that you want. Oh, doesn't that look festive?
It looks very festive.
That looks festive. This bark is using leftover white chocolate. My favorite gnome spatula.
Merry Christmas, little Nomi.
Guys, it is our Black Friday sale right now. You can get all of our cookbooks and our price book for 40% off right now for our Black Friday sale. The link is in the description below if you want easy recipes to get you in and out of the kitchen quick that your family will love with inexpensive ingredients that everybody has on hand. Go check out our cookbooks. This is only one of 2 sales where this is the lowest price of the year. Go check it out in the description below, livingonadime.com. I'm just using a leftover from my orange peels. I don't waste parchment paper.
It's going to have a nice orangey taste to it.
Actually, it might, and it would actually add some really good flavor.
So you'd have to add on the recipe. First, make candied orange peels.
You could put orange flavored extract in here. That would be really good. Or you could add orange zest. That would be really good. Or candied orange peels if you want. All of those would be really tasty in this. Okay. Here are my nut mixture. Yum. Okay, now I'm just patting this in here to get it to stick into the chocolate for sure. Okay, now we're gonna let this get hardened. You can put it in the fridge or just let it sit on the counter, either way. And then we'll come and show you what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Okay, that looks delicious. Let's see if it's set up. Okay, that's too darn tootin' cool.
So you're only going to have one piece of candy.
This is my diet candy, one piece.
Because it's got fruits and nuts, you know it's healthy.
Yes.
And there's no calories.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're just gonna break it up. Okay, this one doesn't have cherry, so I'm going to add the cherry to it. Here we go. Oh my goodness, that is so darn too good. 10 out of 10 once again. And double.